Hey guys, it's August 14th. Had about 5 inches of rain last night, and we really flushed this fish dam quite a bit. I'm kind of surprised the water's gone down as quick as it has, but it's late in the afternoon, and thought I'd come in here and do a little bit of live videoing, and because I don't do a whole lot of it, it's kind of hard to do. But I'm seeing quite a bit of stuff that's got flushed out, so I just thought maybe we'd pick a little bit, see what we can find. Seeing a lot of grinders. There's one right there, a big one. Divvied out in the back. It's a pretty nice one actually. It's a grinding surface. See what else we can find here. Another stone that was used to grind the surface there. Show you something else I found just a little while ago. It's just a big mortar, and right here. It's laying up here next to the bank here. Here's a really big stone that was right with it. It's all been worked. Big piece of black stone. It's been kind of divvied out. Really worn right in here. I don't know. I don't know if that was kind of a dish too. A little bit of a dish. Maybe they sat it on the ground. It's all been polished. So it has a lot of grinders in here. There's one there. Big wedge shaped one. It's your grinding surface. It's right on this dam site. It's a big work stone there. Yeah. Well, that's a neat piece. Huh. It's been all polished. Got a big groove in the middle of it. They take that one home with me. I have no idea what they use that for. Just pecked out on the end here. Well, that's a pretty neat piece. I'm going to set that off the side. It's been worked. I'm not sure what they use that for. A big linear grinder. Pretty nice one actually. just everywhere. And then, you know, I'm pretty fortunate to be able to be on a site that's so prolific with just tools. I mean, tools are my thing, but you know, they don't interest a lot of people. But might be a little game piece there, just a quartz cube. But if you're into tools, I got a sweet spot, I have to say. That's what I like doing. Another big grinder. It's just amazing how many of these grinders are in here. That's another one, a linear one. You see this dam build up right here. Goes all the way over to the bank over here. Alright guys, thought I'd just try to do this live video, and I'm going to get down to hunting a little bit harder, and don't have a whole lot of time left. I need to get home. But appreciate you guys tuning in.